folks, welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. As you see, today's ingredients are special. It's not special, but something which I have been eating from my childhood days. So today we are making my mother's special chicken cutlet. Now this has very less oil and it tastes brilliant. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Let's take a look at the ingredients for the chicken cutlet. Chicken, boiled potato, ginger, green chilies, curry leaves, breadcrumbs, onions, 2 eggs, freshly crushed pepper, salt. Let's start with the chicken cutlet. Now we have very few ingredients and it tastes brilliant. Just trust me in this. Okay. First things first. So I have already boiled 1 kg of chicken breast in salt, pepper and little bit of turmeric. Just boil it and keep it, and then now you're going to crush it. Add the boiled chicken breast to the food processor. Let's crush this. Amma! So what my mother does is, without oil, initially she'll saute all these items. So let's come to that. The pan is really hot. I'm adding in 8 chopped onions. Doing this without oil. So make sure the water in the onion is just evaporated. Okay, adding in some salt, half a teaspoon. Add 1.5 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. 8 chopped green chilies. Few crushed curry leaves. So it must be new for all my viewers. Cutlet without oil, but hold on, I'm adding in oil. Adjust your seasoning. So I'm adding in a little bit of salt because I feel the salt is less. Okay, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, make sure to cook this in low flame. So look at this. Our onion, ginger, green chili and curry leaves are cooked with just half to 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Half kilo of boiled potato. Let's add that. So when I boiled the potatoes, I added some salt. I have switched off the fire. Let's add the chicken. Add roughly about 1.5 tablespoons of pepper powder, freshly crushed pepper powder. That gives the best flavor to your cutlet. And if you want to reduce the spice, then please do it accordingly. Because we like the flavor of pepper, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon of pepper powder. Now let's give this a good mix. So I've switched off. Now I'm switching on the gas. Keep the fire in low and give this a good mix. Add little bit of coconut oil. Let's say 1.5 tablespoons. I made a small mistake. I took a very small kadai. So we need to mix this all together, and we'll start making into small balls now. Adding in some more pepper and salt. Now time to mix this with my hand. It's pretty hot. Okay, our chicken and potato mixture, it's ready. Now let's shape the balls into small round patties. I mean, if you're making small ones, I think you should get approximately 50 cutlets, and that's good enough, you know, and then you can keep it in the freezer and it will last for almost 3 months. അമ്മ ഒരു കൈ പിടിക്കണോ അമ്മേ? എന്നാൽ വേഗം തീരും. പറ്റില്ല അല്ലേ? വേണ്ട. I have beaten 2 eggs. Let's dip them lightly, not too much. So this is the consistency, and then dip it in breadcrumbs. Okay, so finally we have made 55 cutlets. Now what I've done is, first batch I put it in the freezer for like 15 to 20 minutes so that it firms up. So that's the reason why we put it in the freezer. The second one I'm going to put now. So we are done with our cutlets. What we'll do is we'll fry our cutlets and then make a nice sandwich out of this. Okay, the gas is on. Now we are going to fry our delicious, I'm not saying delicious, Vignesh will test it out today. Vignesh, smile. I'm adding in coconut oil. You can always use refined oil. Now here's the thing, you don't really have to deep fry it. You can shallow fry the cutlets as well. I've taken only so much oil. Let's see. Just look at that. Our delicious chicken cutlets are ready. Okay. Vigu, how is it?
Good. Adivali. Joe, welcome to my cutlet shop. Joe, try it.
So delicious cutlets are ready. Chicken cutlets are ready. Now Vignesh asked me, what are you going to do with this? What can I eat this with? So I said, I'll make you a nice sandwich. So let's start with that. So he gave me a good idea to add butter first. I said, okay. Okay. Come on, sandwich is totally up to how you want to make it. So I'm just randomly making because it's for Vignesh. Let's add this beauty here and I'm going to smash it. Come closer, man. If you want, I'll give you a little more, just to fill in the gaps. Normally I don't do it. I'm very stingy with my sandwich and cutlets and all that. But here you go, Mr. Vignesh. A delicious tomato sauce. Close it, and Vignesh, your sandwich is ready. Okay, I'm really tired today because I made 55 cutlets. Do give it a try and do let me know how you like them in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Let's take a look at... Wait!